5. The meek. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Matthew 5:5. The word translated as meek is praos. When we look at the origins of this word in classical Greek, we find it used, as in Pindar and Xenophon, in the sense of making mild, taming, bridling. It was used of gentling a horse or breaking him to harness and bridle. If we forget this fact, we lose the meaning of the word. The meek are not the impotent, nor are they the timid and the mousy ones. They are the strong ones who have been broken to harness, gentled by the Lord and His Spirit, and made fit for the Lord's use. The word meek is the opposite of unbridled anger and passion. It refers to the bridled man. It is the purpose of the law word of God and of the Holy Spirit to bridle a man. The untamed and evil nature of unregenerate man leads to, quote, the works of the flesh, end quote, that is, to fallen human nature, Galatians 5:19-21. The fruit of the Spirit includes, among other things, meekness, praotes, the humbling and taming work of the Spirit, Galatians 5:22 and 23. It is the tamed of God who shall inherit the earth. They have both faith and stability. It was Reuben, the eldest son of Jacob, who was denied the inheritance of the firstborn because he was as, quote, unstable as water, Genesis 49:4. To, quote, inherit the earth, end quote, must be taken seriously and literally. Only those who are harnessed by God's Spirit to His law word have the stable, disciplined, and Spirit-governed capacity to rule the earth. The calling of Christ's saints is to judge or govern the earth. The word judge is used in the Old Testament sense of to govern, as in the book of Judges. We are made to be meek by the Spirit and broken to harness in order to be usable by Him and to rule in Him.